I think too much light. Hi. Happy Friday, everyone. Punta ka Siquijor, idol. Yeah, soon. Hopefully this year. Kung hindi masyadong busy. Pero marami pa kasi akong lakad this year. So, let's see. So, next destination natin, guys. I'm really excited. Kasi I'm going to another tropical island again. So, I'm just so excited. And we'll be staying there for like two weeks. So, medyo matagal talaga siya. And sure na sure ako na may enjoy ko talaga yung place. Hello from Indonesia. Hi to Alon. I love Indonesia. Been there twice na, but ano lang, sa Bali lang. But I want to explore another island soon. Happy Friday, everyone. So I haven't eaten my dinner yet, and magdi-dinner pa ako. Scrunchy, just in case I want to tie my hair. It's so bulky. Excuse me. I'm just gonna put it in my bag. So what's your plan for your Friday night, guys? Just chill lang ba? Or family time? Or party time? Nawala na yung curl ng hair ko. Ang bilis. Bye guys! Charot lang. It's a prank. Oh wow. Cute ng yellow. Keep safe always. Thank you po, Silver Rayleigh. Kayo din po. I miss my long hair. I promise na hindi ko na siya gugupitan ulit yung hair ko kasi papahabain ko na siya ulit. Abacada? So yeah, quick live lang to guys, just to catch up sa inyong lahat kasi baka na-miss nyo ako. Na-miss nyo ba ako? And ano lang, live lang before I go to dinner. And sana kumain na din kayo. Sa mga hindi pa kumain, dinner na kayo kasi ako magde-dinner na din ako. Huwag kayong magpapagutom. I love you all guys. Thank you so much for following me. And ano, ang tagal na natin dito sa Facebook, no? And ano lang, I'm just so happy kasi marami tayong mga loyal fans na andito pa rin nagsusupport sa atin. I can see you all guys and I appreciate you. Thank you all. Oh, the sticker just looks like me, ha? Bye guys.